In this video I'm going to show you how to save a video on Instagram to your gallery. So first what you want to do is open up Instagram and then you want to open up chats. Now go to that chat that has sent your video you want to save. This is the video. I just hold down onto the video and I click save. If I go to my photos, you will see that that video was saved. And that's basically it. You can do this for every video, for everyone in chats and etc. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, subscribe, like and leave a comment saying something like this video helped me out. If this video didn't help you out, let me know what was the problem in the comments down below and I will do my best to help you out to fix the problem. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.